Is the OnePlus 13 the best smartphone you can buy right now? With powerful specs, a stunning display, and an upgraded camera system, it sure looks like a winner. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out in this in-depth review. Before starting the video, the buy link is in the video description, and you can buy this phone from Amazon at a discounted price. OnePlus has nailed the design once again. The OnePlus 13 is just 8.5 millimeters thin and weighs 210 grams, giving it a premium, solid feel without being too bulky. The color choices are gorgeous. Whether you prefer the deep, reflective look of Midnight Ocean, the clean Arctic Dawn, or the stealthy black eclipse, they all look stunning. It's sleek, stylish, and feels fantastic in the hand. A perfect blend of beauty and durability. Let's talk about pricing and storage options. The OnePlus 13 comes in two variants. $899 for the 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage model. $999 for the beefier 16 GB RAM with 512 GB storage. Considering the specs, these prices are quite competitive in the flagship space. Now, let's talk about the display, and it's a showstopper. You get a 6.82-inch LTPO OLED panel with a resolution of 1440 by 3168. It supports 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, delivering buttery-smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. With a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, it's easily visible under direct sunlight. Watching videos on this is an absolute treat. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the mighty Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Paired with either 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, this phone breezes through multitasking and gaming without breaking a sweat. It's one of the fastest Android devices on the market right now. Plus, it runs on Android 15 with Oxygen OS, which is super clean and customizable. Moving on to cameras, OnePlus has seriously stepped up its game. You get a 50-megapixel f1.6 main sensor, a 50-megapixel f2.65 3x telephoto for stunning zoom shots, and a 50-megapixel f2.05 ultra-wide lens. And for selfies, there's a 32-megapixel f2.45 front camera. The photos are sharp and detailed, and the color science is spot on. Night mode is particularly impressive, handling low-light scenarios with ease. And yes, it can shoot in 8K with great stabilization, making it a fantastic choice for content creators. Battery life? It's a beast. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a full day of heavy usage. And charging is a breeze with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. In just about 30 minutes, you're good to go for the rest of the day. So, is the OnePlus 13 worth it? Absolutely. With a premium design, top-notch performance, versatile cameras, and an incredible display, it checks all the boxes for a flagship device. And at $899 for the base model, it's priced competitively against other flagships. If you're looking for a high-end Android experience with great value for money, the OnePlus 13 is hard to beat. That's it for today's review. What do you think of the OnePlus 13? Would you buy it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.